Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell um, so you can get notified for new postings. I've been posting 2 or 3 times a day, things that you need to hear, things that you need to see. Okay. Um, After you've subscribed, please leave a comment in the comment box saying that you've subscribed. Okay. I would like to reach out to all my subscribers and all my superheroes out there that's out there supporting the channel and giving love and respect to those out here creating new content on a daily. And today, what I wanted to talk about was my editing tool. Now, there are several editing tools out there for YouTube and for a lot of the fitness creators out there. And the one that I like the most is UCut. Now, UCut is pretty simple to use. It's just like everyone, they're all lined up. And you can put your text in, you can get your captions in there. You can do TikToks, you can do YouTubes, you can crop it to any media or platform that you want to that you and you need. Um, it's very versatile. Only thing is, it is a payment for it. I believe it's $20 for the lifetime, and once you've get it, you can use it as long as you have your Google login. You can use it on any platform on your computer or whatever, and just download the UCut, and you can edit your videos. Now, the other ones that are very popular right now are CapCut, which I've seen, and which is very good, but I don't know how to use their tooling, so I have to go through a learning curve with CapCut. Um, Filmora, Filmora is another good one, and I've used that for my computer. And when I use that, that one is very you can do a lot of stuff with it, but all of your audio and effects, they're all built in, but you can also download outside sources and create your own audio effects and stuff like that. So Filmora is very detailed, but if you're not really good with editing and something with a very detailed editing tool, Filmora might not be the one you want. It comes down to CapCut and UCut. And I've gotten UCut through Android. So all the Android users out there, you can utilize UCut. I have an iPhone also, so my iPhone, I download UCut to it, and it's worked perfectly. Now I believe CapCut. I'm not sure if you can download that for Android. You probably can. If you can download CapCut for Android, put it in the comments, because I have not. Since I had Android, I stayed away from everything CapCut. So I don't know if I was able or am able to download CapCut. But which one's your favorite? UCut? Does anyone use UCut, or do you only use CapCut? Um, Let me know what you like best about CapCut. Leave it in the comments. All right. Anyway, appreciate you stopping by. I got a couple more videos that I will be posting today that should be already on its way. And I have a fitness video tonight that I will be posting. Hey, and also check out my YouTube shorts, all right? You guys have a wonderful time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're winning. Peace.